Hey guys, can we talk mayonnaise for a second? Good. So, pretty much all the mayonnaise at the store is awful. Soybean oil, full of sugar, cheap, right? Well, because it's soybean oil and sugar. Anything decent is going to cost you $9 a jar. It's crazy. So I'm going to show you how to make avocado oil based mayonnaise at home. And by the way, it's the best mayonnaise you've ever had. All right. 1 cup of avocado oil. Now, I've stopped measuring this stuff because I make this once a week. So essentially it's about a tablespoon of everything except for the oil and the egg. So cup of avocado oil, tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, tablespoon of Dijon mustard, squeeze of lemon juice. If you got fresh lemons, awesome. I just happened to run out this morning. And some salt, of course, an egg. So look, I'm gonna try this with one hand. So get your oil in there, right? Get your egg in there. Get your little splash of apple cider vinegar. A little splash of Dijon in there. A little squeeze of lemon juice. And a little shake of salt. All right, now get your immersion blender and stick it in there and just set it right on top of the egg. And then you're going to leave it there until the egg starts to emulsify, and then you're going to slowly pull the blender up. This whole thing's going to take about less than 30 seconds. There you go. Fresh mayonnaise. Now that'll easily live in the fridge for a week, and it is the best mayonnaise you've ever had. Drop a comment below and let me know how yours turned out. Love you, mean it.